Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, my name is Agung Sulaiman, NIM 190730002. I studied at Padang State University, majoring in Automotive Engineering Education. Now we will discuss about vehicle construction. Vehicle construction. Define the most important part of a vehicle. Explain body, design, and frame variation. Compare unibody and body over frame construction. Identify the major structural part, section, and assembly of body over frame vehicles. Identify the major structural part, section, and assembly of unibody vehicles. Summarize how to classify vehicles by body, engine, and drivetrain configuration. Vehicle construction refers to how a vehicle is made. Vehicle as a mass of interact mechanical and electrical system. Over 15,000 parts are used in a typical vehicle. The make to one part can affect the operation of another seemingly unrelated part. Different types of construction require different methods to repair frame or unibody the make. Vehicle must be light, aerodynamic, and yet strong and safe. Computer simulated crash testing is used before building a prototype to find weak structural area. Critical that passenger compartment is strong enough to prevent injury. Certified crash tests are done with real vehicles and sensor-equipped dummies. Crash zones are built into the frame or body to absorb some of the energy of a collision. Vehicle classification relates to the construction, size, shape, number of doors, type of roof, and of criteria of a motor vehicle. To communicate properly in collision repair, you must understand this basic term. Part of component refers to the small unit in a vehicle. An assembly is several parts that fit together. Panel refers to a large removable body part. Pan refers to a floor-related component. Chassis include everything under the body, consisting of the mechanical system that support and power the car. Body of a frame vehicle have separate body and chassis part bolt that frame. Full frame vehicle is heavier. High amount of energy are absorbed by the frame in a collision. Torque box allow some twisting to absorb rate, shock, and collision impact. Cross member extend set wide across frame rail to support the engine. Suspension cases. Fall of partial frame construction is used on most full-size and small pickup trucks. Frame is an independent separate part. Perimeter frame has a frame rail near the outside of the vehicle and is the most common. Ladder frame has long frame rail with a series of straight cross members and is seldom used. Partial frame is a cross between a solid frame and a unibody. So frame assemblies are used of the front and rear while the unibody support the middle area. Unibody construction uses body part welded and bolted together. Use lighter, thinner, high-strength steel alloy. Body cell is formed by welding sheet metal into a box or egg-like configuration. Strength is achieved through shape and design instead of mass and weight. Stretch whole structure disperses force over the entire body cell. Space frame vehicle has a metal body structure, covered with an outer skin of plastic or composite panel. Roof and quarter panel may be attached with mechanical fastener or achievements. After a collision, a space frame is more likely to have hidden damage or hidden corrosion. Support members are bolted to unibody bottom. needed in high stress area to reduce body flight. Fastened parts are held together with a fastener. Welded parts are permanently joined by welding. Press fit or snap fit part use clip or an interface to fit parts together. Adhesive bonded part use high strength epoxy or special glue to hold parts together. Composite antibody is made of plastic or other material. Keeping metal part to a minimum cut weight while increasing strength and performance. Vehicle is divided into three sections: front, center, and rear. Front section includes everything between front bumper and firewall, also called nose section front clip. Center section or mid section includes body part that from passenger compartment. Rear section, also called tail section, rear clip. Panel is a stamped steel or molded plastic shell that from a body part. When panels are joined with other components, the result is an assembly. Vehicle weight for American road: left side is steering wheel side, right side is a passenger side. Cowl is near rear of front section, right in front of the windshield. Shock tower or stroke tower are reinforced body, are for holding upper part of suspension. Dash panel, firewall or front bulk is panel dividing front and the center section. Bumper assembly bolt to front frame horse on rail to absorb minor impact. Floor pan is main structural section in bottom of passenger compartment. Tunnel is format in floor pan for transmission and drive shaft. Pillar are vertical body members that hold roof panel in place and protect in case of rollover. Front pillar extend next to windshield edge. Must be strong, also called a pillar. Center B pillar are roof support between front and rear door. Rear pillar or C pillar extend up from quarter panel to hold rear or roof. Rocker panel or door sill are stone beams that fit at bottom of door opening. Rail shaft or pack tray is a thin panel behind the seat in front of black glass. Windows regulator is a gear mechanism that allows you to raise and lower door glass. Side impact being a metal bar or crooked panel tape ball or wheel inside door assembly. Rear hub is a large panel and glass assembly. High for more access to the rear. Quarter panel are left side body section that extend from side door back to rear bumper. Lower rear panel fits between trunk, compartment and rear bumper. Rear shock tower or rear suspension. Inner wheel housing surround the rear wheel. Various gasket and rubber seal prevent air and water leakage between body parts. Seal or weather stripping are often used around door and the rear deck light. Rubber seal is partially compressed when door or lid is closed to form a leak-proof connection. Rubber gasket often seal stationary glassware it fits into body. Anti-corrosion material prevent rusting of metal parts. Undercutting is often a thick tar or synthetic rubber-based material sprayed onto underbody. After performing repair, you must restore and corrosion protection. The denim material have quiet passenger compartment. Insulation to prevent engine and road noise from entering passenger area. Longitudinal engine mount to crankshaft. Counterline front to rear. Used by front engine RVD vehicles. Then first engine mount sideways in engine compartment. Each crankshaft counterline extend toward right and left. Front engine front wheel drive or 4VD has both engine and train axle in front. constant velocity, axle extend out from 10x to power front wheel. Front engine, rear wheel drive or rear VD has engine in front and drive axle in rear. Rear engine, rear wheel drive or RRD has engine in back. Then axle transfer power to rear drive wheel. Mid-engine, rear wheel drive or MRD has engine behind front seat. All-wheel drive used to differential for a wheels. Four-wheel drive use a transfer case to send power to the differential and all-wheel. Compact car is smallest body classification. Normally use a 4-cylinder engine. Lightweight gets the highest gas mileage. Intermediate car is a medium in size. Use a 4, 6 or 8-cylinder engine. Usually has a unibody construction. Full-size car is large, heavy, and often has a high-performance VX engine, either unibody or body over frame construction. Sedan is a body designed with a center pillar that support roof. Hardtop does not have a center pillar to support roof. Hatchback has a large thick door at back, commonly found on small compact car. Convertible has a retractable canvas roof with a steel tube framework or a removable hardtop. Station wagon extends door strike back to rear of body with a rear deck or tailgate. Van has a large box-shaped body to increase interior volume or space. Full-size van normally in front engine. Minivan is smaller and often use front engine with unibody construction. Pickup truck normally has a separate cab and bed, typically with front engine. Summary: vehicle classification related to construction, size, shape, number of door, type of roof. Three main types of frame construction: body over frame, unibody, and space frame. Vehicle commonly divided into the three body sections: front section or nose section, center section or mid section, rear section, tail section or rear clip. Vehicle size: compact, intermediate, full size. That's all from me and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.